Hello, today I am using trimmers. I am shaving down the locks. So with this, I am maintaining the locks. I am using trimmers. They are very sharp. The way that I'm shaving them, it is very lightly, like I'm lightly brushing over the dreads with the blade. Being very careful not to nick anything, because I don't want to cause any damage to the lock. Be sure to section off the hair to make sure that it doesn't get in your way of other locks. If you're going to use this method, be sure that you are trying to be as light as possible but firm at the same time. Like I said in the beginning, you don't want to nick the lock. You don't want to damage the lock. This is already dead hair. You don't want the hair to weaken the lock over time. Now, if you do nick the lock, over time as the lock further matures, it will create a soft spot. And when you have a soft spot, they will tend to break off. So just be very careful and make sure that you are doing them one by one and not by groups. Doing them in groups will leave excess hair on the locks. Some locks you might miss. You might not be able to, reach all the locks. And so it's better to do them one by one. We are now done. Now you can see that the hair looks more neater. It also looks more mature as well. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and I'll have more soon. Thank you.